'Tis the season to be jolly, but putting up Christmas lights on your home can be a frustrating and even daunting task. Today we're going to go over how to safely install Christmas lights on your roof and what attachments we recommend for you to use. But first things first, we need to make sure that we've cleaned off the roof. There's two reasons why we want to clean off the roof. One of which is to make sure that we remove any slip hazards, trip hazards on the roof. And the other thing is, if you'll refer to one of our previous videos about removing debris off your roof, there are several implications and issues with having debris on your roof going through the winter season. One of the safest ways to remove debris, leaves, sticks, nuts, branches off of your roof safely is to use a traditional leaf blower. Okay, so now that the roof is cleaned off, we've got a nice, clean, safe surface to work with. And what's really important at this point is that we follow a few steps to make this as easy as we possibly can. So one of the things that we recommend is testing your lights. So the lights should be tested prior to you installing, but I also test my lights once I'm on the roof surface as well. There's nothing worse than getting a fresh strand of lights installed properly and only to find out that they don't work or half the strand doesn't work. And as always, when you're on a roof, especially on a second floor roof or steeper roofs than we're even on today, it's important to be very aware of the edges of the roof. As you navigate the roof, those are the areas in which most people back up and that's where they get the fall. So please be aware of your surroundings, where those edges are, and work safely and carefully as you can. So shopping for Christmas decorations and decorating your home can be fun and exciting. But what's not fun and exciting is selecting which fastener works best for you and your home. When shopping for these fasteners, we found an overwhelming amount of options, including options recommending you to staple or glue your lights on in certain situations. We do not recommend that. Some of the options we do recommend are in my hand. This is an S-hook. Now this S-hook right here is an actual shingle or gutter hook. This is a very simple hook that can attach into the gutter and allow you to hang your lights on the other side. Now what's important to note before leaning onto this option is whether or not you have gutter guards on your home, because if you do, it will not secure into that spot and you won't be able to hang your lights or fasten your hooks. One of the other options is this plastic clip here, which is designed to do two things. One, this can go under your shingles or it can connect to your gutters as well. What's really great about this option is up in this section here, you can actually pop your lights into those, determining which way you want your lights to point, and it'll secure it that way. One of the other options is the shingle hook. So this shingle hook can slide right up underneath the shingle and the light placement will be right inside this little circular shape. What's great about this is it also has the option to change the direction so that you can have your lights pointing straight out away from your roof. All these options are great options to choose from. You will have to assess your roof, your home, and determine which one is the right fit for you. For more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe and share this video so your friends and family can see more tips and tricks from Brightside. And happy holidays from all of us here at Brightside.